Ever looked at your tiled floor and wondered why it still looks dull even after cleaning? That's where Floor Revive comes in. This professional floor restoration service focuses on deep cleaning and restoring tiles, stone, and grout so they look almost brand new again. Instead of replacing expensive flooring, their service removes deep dirt, stains, and grime that normal mopping simply can't reach. According to their official site, they specialize in cleaning materials like marble, porcelain, limestone, and ceramic tiles using professional tools and restoration techniques. What makes Floor Revive interesting is that their service isn't just about making floors shiny, it's about restoring the original look of your flooring. Over time, dirt, moisture, and bacteria can build up inside grout lines, which can lead to mold growth and even damage to tiles. Professional tile and grout cleaning can help extend the lifespan of your floors, improve hygiene, and even increase the value of your property. That means a deep cleaning service like this could actually save money compared to replacing tiles or flooring entirely. So, is Floor Revive worth it? Based on customer feedback and the services they offer, many homeowners say their floors look like new after the treatment. If you're dealing with stained tiles, dull grout, or old floors that need a refresh, a professional restoration service like this could be a smart solution. Before you decide, check their website, read real customer reviews, and see if their service fits your needs. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our next video for more honest home improvement reviews.